Hey everyone, in today's video, we're taking a look at some of the most notable train incidents ever caught on camera. From major collisions to incredible near misses, these moments highlight just how important rail safety really is. Let's get started. Even a tank is no match for the power of a speeding train. This is a wake-up call about keeping a safe distance when standing near train tracks. I guess that truck driver thinks the flashing red lights at the railroad crossing are just for decoration.
Each and every day, safety, as you know, is paramount.
This has to be the most chaotic press conference ever. If you agree, drop a 1 in the comments. He got lucky this time, but who knows if he'll get another shot. His actions are unacceptable and need to be dealt with. Trains move fast and hit hard, but luckily the driver only suffered minor injuries. He was taken to the hospital right away, and now he's recovering well and getting ready to be discharged soon. That's how they create coral reefs where marine life can build new homes. The cars are stripped of their lights and cleaned before being dropped into the ocean. Do you think he forgot something? Or is he just driving like that for no reason? Let me know what you think. They probably think the train will stop and wait for them. Be a smart and safe driver.
Échale.
If you don't want your car smashed like a pizza, keep a safe distance from the tracks.
Hasta aquí mi reporte, Joaquín. Que le vale verga, que le hagan como quieran.
The car broke down just as the train was passing, but the driver smartly got out in time. Cars can be fixed. Life is what really matters. Do you think a magician made that car disappear or what? A lot of people stand way too close to the train just to snap a photo of the falling snow, not even thinking about the danger. Do they really believe the train will stop just so they can get their shot?
Are they gonna be able to stop?
Probably not. Probably not.
Oh my god.
Nope, he's not gonna stop. Oh man. Oh man. Holy.
Holy!
Wow. He was in that cab too.
With the crazy traffic in this city, it's a big challenge for officials to find real solutions to keep people safe. Wow, that steam whistle is awesome. It almost sounds like music. I love steam engines and the way they sound. I bet this railroad has the highest maintenance budget in the world. The train looks like a giant ice pop, covered in thick snow and ice. For engineers, the top rule in freezing weather: keep the engine running no matter what. Never try to race a train. You're never going to win that battle. Honestly, people don't really seem to care about their safety. They rush to cross the tracks just to save a few seconds. It's really not worth it.
Походу, ребята, мы открыли. Куда ты открыл? Все, назад пошли.
Давай проедем.
Не лезь, не лезь.
А этот только сейчас дошел.
A train engine follows the cars, just like a driver follows a train engine that keeps moving forward.
Мужик, куда ты открываешь?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Good thing the driver got out of the car before the crash. If they had just backed up a little further, this whole accident could have been avoided. Please always look around before crossing the street. I could feel the relief and happiness from everyone when they saw she was safe. Thank God. You can't outrun the power of a speeding train, so why risk it? Stay safe, stay smart.
Holy.
It was such a weird sight. As the train passed, it looked like it was just a few centimeters away. It was an incident that didn't just disrupt train traffic, but brought the whole town to a standstill. This is probably the most iconic train crash on the internet. Comment. Wanted to see if you agree with me that the truck driver's carelessness put the entire train full of people in danger.
Ui, o Fernando! Fernando! Meu Deus, meu Deus!
Pau. O cara é doido, é?
Meu Deus do céu! Como é que esse cara faz isso?
É de empresa.
Meu Deus, esse homem não tava vendo esse trem,
É de
não.
empresa.
Oh.
É a sorte que ele não...
Both made the same big mistake. They ignored the safety rules at a railway crossing and didn't pay attention to the active traffic lights. Ever seen a boat like this before? If you have, drop a tuyo in the comments. Flooded tracks aren't a reason to stop the train, since modern trains are built to be waterproof and aren't affected by water. This incident is a reminder of how crucial it is to double-check routes to prevent costly mistakes like this.
These cars. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video till the end. If you found the content helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. We'll keep bringing you more engaging and high-quality content. Thanks a lot, and see you in the next video.